So here's a few ways to play Mission Impossible. Starting with the 3rd fret, 6th string, we have this. Move down to the next string and we go 1, 3. If you're having any issues reading guitar tab, then be sure to check out this video. The link's in the description and that will help. So from here, your 3rd finger has to roll back up to string number 6. Don't take this one off and back on, just roll it up. It's much quicker. Like that. So the second half is all on the same string, 3, 3, 1, 2. Put that together. Now if you want to play this with open strings, if you don't fancy stretching across these 3 frets, then we can transpose this to the key of E, and we start at the 2nd fret, 4th string. Goes like this. So the same applies here when we get to the 3rd string. Here we've got to roll our finger back up to the beginning. Now if you want a more advanced version, let's go back to the first one here. We're going to put some dead notes in so it'll sound like this. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying the pressure and releasing. So I'm always hovering over the frets and I'm only pressing on when I want to sound. And my plectrum's always doing this. Let's take a look at that right hand. So the way I'm accenting this or making certain ones louder is I'm going, that's 1, 2, 3, number 1 is louder. Then I'm going 1, 2, 3 again, but starting on an up. So that sounds like this. So looking at this slowly, it will be like this. So press down and then 2 dead ones. So then we just apply that to the rest of the tune, which will go like this, really slow. So here we have on, off, on, off. So that's the fretted note, then the dead note. And then the second part. Share this video, let me know if you can play it in the comments, and join our Guitar Practice VIP Facebook group where you can learn everything you need to know to advance your guitar playing.